The Stair Calculator rise. Run number of steps determines your stair dimensions based on your total vertical height and desired step height. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have total rise in inches, where you enter the total vertical height. This accepts any value from 0 with no specified maximum. Next is desired riser height in inches, where you enter your desired step height, typically 7 to 8 inches. This field accepts values from 0 to 12 inches. For our demonstration, I'll enter 10 inches for the total rise and 10 inches for the desired riser height. After clicking Calculate Stair Dimensions, here are our results. The number of steps shows 0, which makes sense since our total rise of 10 inches equals our desired riser height of 10 inches, meaning we need no actual steps. The actual riser height confirms 10.00 inches, matching our input. The total run shows 0.00 inches because with 0 steps, there's no horizontal run. Finally, the stringer length displays 10.00 inches, which equals our total rise since there's no horizontal component. This calculator helps you quickly validate your stair design parameters. Find the link in the description below.